What's up guys, welcome back to another vlog. Today is going to be a really quick vlog. I didn't get a chance over the week to film anything, so I'm actually filming this the day that I'm posting it. So it's going to be really quick, as fast as I can do it. I'm going to install the Drift Motion drive-by wire delete. I really want to install this because I lost it like 6 times. I keep misplacing it. It's in such a small bag. I should have painted this bag like red or something like that. So what we're gonna do, well, what this does, I did explain really quick on a previous video. If you didn't watch it, go right up there when I installed my intake side. But a little bit more in depth here. This is my, the throttle part of it. So when you hit your gas pedal, it's an actual physical wire that goes through here and grabs this. And when you hit the gas pedal, it actually pulls it. And it's supposed to open that butterfly flap inside, but you can see it doesn't. And the reason being is because 2JZs are drive-by wires. So the actual physical metal wire that goes to it when you hit the gas only opens it like 10% of the way. And if I'm not mistaken, the rest, the 90%, is electronic. It has to do like with this whole throttle position side. So I did a little research. All I have to do is take out these 4 screws that are all around and then install this. You can do it with this still on the car, but I'm gonna remove it just so it's a little easier for you guys to see it. And I have seen some guys open up the throttle position sensor side and they took out this gear that is right behind this. But I've spoken to some 2JZ swapped S14 owners, and they said they didn't have to remove the gear and they never had any problems. So if I don't have to open it, I'm not going to open it. So let's start taking the throttle body off. 1, 2, 3, and 4 bolts and nuts. So I'm going to take those out, so the throttle body's out. The 2 bolts and the 2 nuts are removed. This slides right off like that. And well, that's it. That's easy enough. So let's put this down so I can show you. I already have 2 of them removed because I started removing this a while ago because I was just looking and learning. There's the 2 screws here and there's 2 up here. I'm going to take these 2 out and it just literally comes right out. Okay, now here you can see I got this at Drift Motion. That's probably the best, if not the only place to get it. This will slide on here like so. Make sure it goes on all the way. And then, with the Allen key that they provide, you tighten down this set screw. So once you tighten that down, that's it. You're done. This can now go back right inside. Alright, so now it's on, and if I turn this, the whole butterfly should open. Alright, see? It's not opening all the way. What I think it is, I think it's this gear right here, but I'm not just going to go and remove that gear because maybe without the sensor in place, it's not allowing it to open. I don't know, but that's it for the drive-by wire delete. Once this car is running, I'll see if this works or not. If I see there's a problem, at least I'll know that I'll have to open up all these screws right here so I can remove this entire black cap and remove the outermost gear, which is right behind here, and then that should work if this gives me a problem. But that is it, guys. I just wanted to give that really quick video. Like I said, I'm filming this the morning I am putting it up. It is going to go up a little late. Remember, I post up every Monday and Thursday. Well, at least I try to post up every Monday and Thursday. But that is it, guys. Thank you for watching. Make sure you go down, subscribe, and click that post notification. And I will see you next time.